Hey, welcome back to Casual Flow English, the podcast where we help you speak English like a real person, not a textbook.
That's right. No complicated grammar rules today. Just real, useful phrases, the kind you actually need.
I'm Maya.
And I'm Jake. And today, we're talking about weekends.
Yes, because one of the most common questions in English is, how was your weekend? And if you don't know what to say, that's a little awkward, right?
Very awkward. You just stand there like, it was good?
Exactly. So today, we're going to teach you natural phrases to talk about your weekend, what you did, how you felt, and how to keep the conversation going.
And we'll say each phrase slowly, then use it in a real example so it's easy to follow.
Before we start, if this podcast helps you, please subscribe and leave us a review. It really helps other learners find us.
Okay, let's get into it.
All right. So Jake, imagine it's Monday morning. Your coworker walks up to you and says,
Hey, how was your weekend?
Now, that's a simple question, but if you're a beginner, it can feel hard. What do you say?
So let's start with the basics. The first phrase is, it was really nice.
Say it with us. It was really nice.
Again, it was really nice.
Simple, right? Nice means good, pleasant. You can use this for almost anything. It was really nice.
And if your weekend was just okay, you can say, it was pretty relaxing.
It was pretty relaxing. Pretty here doesn't mean beautiful. It means kind of or quite. So pretty relaxing means I rested. I didn't do too much.
Good job if you got that. That's a small but important word.
Okay, so now we know how the weekend felt. But then what? People want to know what you did, right, Jake?
Right. So now we talk about activities, and the key structure here is simple.
I plus verb plus what you did.
For example, I watched a movie.
I went for a walk.
I stayed home and rested.
All very natural. All very easy. Let's hear them again, a little slower.
I watched a movie. I went for a walk. I cooked a big meal. I stayed home and rested.
Can you repeat those? Say them out loud, even if you're on the bus or at home. It really helps. Now, let's put it all together in a real conversation. Listen carefully.
Hey Maya, how was your weekend?
It was really nice, actually. I went for a walk on Saturday morning. It was so peaceful. Then on Sunday, I stayed home and watched a movie with my family.
Oh nice, what movie?
An old one, a comedy. I don't remember the name, but it was really funny.
Did you hear how natural that was? She answered the first question, how was your weekend? And then she added a small detail. It was so peaceful. That makes the conversation interesting.
You don't need long sentences, just one or two small details. That's it.
Okay, let's learn two more phrases. These are really useful for adding detail.
The first one, on Saturday I, or on Sunday I.
This helps you organize your answer, like, on Saturday I went to the market. On Sunday, I cooked lunch for my family.
You're telling a little story. Saturday this, Sunday that. Very easy, very clear.
The second phrase is, it was a quiet weekend, or it was a busy weekend.
These are great for starting your answer. Quiet weekend, you rested, stayed home, did nothing special. Busy weekend, you had lots to do, lots of plans.
For example, it was a busy weekend. I had a family lunch, then I went shopping, then I watched football.
That is a busy weekend.
Or, it was a quiet weekend. I just read a book and rested. It was perfect.
That's another good little phrase. It makes you sound very natural. I just relaxed. I just stayed home.
So natural. You're already speaking like a real English speaker. Good job.
Let's do one more practice dialogue. This time, try to follow along and answer with Jake.
Okay, imagine I'm asking you. Ready? Hey, how was your weekend?
Your turn. What do you say? Try it out loud. Maybe, it was really nice, or it was a quiet weekend.
Great. Now I'll ask, what did you do?
You can say something like, I went for a walk, or I stayed home and rested.
You're doing it. That's a real English conversation. You just had one.
And that felt good, right? Even beginners can do this. You just need the right phrases and a little practice.
Let's quickly review everything we learned today.
Okay, phrase recap time. Here are your weekend phrases. Say them with us.
It was really nice.
It was pretty relaxing.
It was a quiet weekend.
It was a busy weekend.
I went for a walk.
I stayed home and rested.
I watched a movie.
On Saturday, or on Sunday,
And I just relaxed. So natural.
These 8 phrases will carry you through almost any Monday morning conversation, really.
Practice them. Say them in the mirror. Say them to a friend. Or come back and listen to this episode again. Repetition is how you learn.
You're improving already, seriously. The fact that you're here, listening, practicing, that's what real progress looks like.
Now, here's our community question for this week.
What did you do last weekend? Tell us one thing, in English.
Leave it in the comments. It can be 1 sentence, it can be 2 words. Anything counts.
We read every single comment, and we love hearing from you.
If this episode helped you, share it with one friend who's learning English. That's the best way to support us.
Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you in the next one.
Keep practicing. You've got this.
Bye.
Bye.